Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to try my first ever attempt with Aimeili white blossom gel. I've never used white blossom gel before. I've used a clear before, but only one time on a pop stick. So what I did was put 2 coats of white gel down. I plan on doing a few more experiments with other colors other than white as my base. And I'm going to try to do a rose. I was dared to do this on film for my first time. I've got a few other colors mixes I'm going to plan on doing besides just white over white. I've got to get my collection growing a little bit. So for blossom gels, I know you put it on nice and even. Nice and even. I've never ever used a white. This is my first time opening it up. So this is white blossom gel. I've got out color number, let's see, 64 from Aimeili onto just a form paper. And I'm going to attempt to draw my second only rose ever. Wish me luck, everyone. I've never used the Aimeili at all. I didn't have quite enough on that one. Well, this stuff is pretty nice. It's blossoming out really fast. Okay, when blossom gels, you let them sit until it just spreads how you like it, and then you would put it in the lamp and cure it. So let me do that. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to think if I want to do anything else. I think I will. I'm going to use their number 82 just to add some glittery goodnessy sparkle to it. I'll give that a cure and top coat it and be right back to show you. Okay, there's my second ever blossom gel nail. I simply used 2 coats of white gel polish, or you could use regular polish if you wanted. I used the blossom base. I did not cure it. I used number 64, made my little petals, and because I love glitter so much, I used number 82 and just topped it off with the top coat, and this is the finished look. I'll put this on and post a picture at the end of the video. And thank you everyone for watching here today. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.